Hello friends, so very warm welcome to IJ Creative Store. So today I'm teaching you the best from ways. This is my cardboard, white cardboard, which which comes with a seed box, or probably if this is not available, you can take any cardboard box which comes in your parcels and your gift boxes. So this measures 24 into 20 centimeter. So this is my jute sheet of A4 size, which I'll be taking and I'll be pasting on my cardboard. So but it can you see you have thin layer of plastic, so which will not get stick to this cardboard base. So we will be removing this plastic sheets, but just take care, we have to gently remove this plastic sheet and then you have to paste it on your cardboard. So I'm just gently removing it, and later on with the help of glue I'll be pasting it on my cardboard. Once I applied, I saw the side I have the space to stick, but on the other two sided I don't have any space to stick. So I will trim my cardboard to 24 by 17 centimeter. Then I'll be applying a generous amount of glue all over and I'll be pasting it on my cardboard from all the four sides. So this is the way I'm applying the glue from all the four sides, and first I'll be pasting it from the two side, then I'll be pasting it from the other two side, because this is jute sheet and it is little thick, so you need to take care and you need to leave it for a while so that it's quickly and easily pasted on your jute sheet. So I'm spreading the glue with the help of my brush and I'll be flipping it over and I'll be pasting it. Just take care whenever you are applying glue with the help of brushes, do wash it properly so that your brush don't get spoil. So this is some extra part, so let me trim it from the side and then I can easily paste the other two sides. The first two side I've already pasted, so I'll be making a triangle like this and then I'll be pasting it further from the other two sides. So now I'll be making a handle to hang it around. So we can simply paste the rope like this, making a double, but I think it will not look nice, so I'm just taking the 3 piece of rope and I'll be braiding it. So I'm just tying a knot on the top and quickly I'll be making a braid for making the handle of my cardboard base. So this is the normal braid which we do it, so the same way I'm doing it and I'll be completing it on my whole jute rope. Can you see how pretty it is coming? So I'll be doing it on my whole, so it's done. So I'll not be so this is very thick, so what I'll be doing it, I'll be simply tying a thread over it and then applying little glue so that once I pasted it doesn't become so thick. So I'm just wrapping around, I'm tying a knot with a simple thread and then I'll be applying glue to sticken it more quickly and more properly. So I'm spreading it at the back and I'm just wrapping around my extra thread. You can also cut the extra thread. So same way I'll be doing it on the other side. So I've kept it for drawing. So now I'll be making my flowers. For the flowers, I'll be taking this Dress My Craft paper punch. You can even take any circle punch, or maybe you can take any rounds. You can cut round and you can make flower. So let me show you how do I make flower with this.